Nature struck without warning, but this quick-thinking man narrowly escaped disaster, a heart-pounding survival moment that leaves everyone on edge. Luckily, locals managed to run just in time as a landslide roared down the mountainside. Nepal has been hit by a series of natural disasters in recent days. Floodwaters from the storm swept away 2 shipping containers, slamming them into the Ridgeway Bridge, which collapsed just 20 minutes later. Humans are not just witnesses, but also contributors to nature's changes. If we continue to ignore it, the cost will be devastating.
Okay, that's scary.
I've never seen anything like that.
What? We're literally going behind the
Heavy
waterfall.
rain caused Hanging Rock Hill Falls to spill onto the road on April 4th, forcing drivers to find alternate routes. Share your thoughts with us.
It's never been like that.
I mean, that's insane. That literally would push a car right down the street. Oh my gosh, this is scary. Remind me not to go this way.
We often underestimate nature's fury until we see the flood peak crashing down a waterfall, an overwhelming and chilling sight. A terrifying landslide struck in an instant. Rocks and soil thundered down the slope. Fortunately, there were no casualties, but it was a close call. A massive boulder suddenly broke loose on the slopes of Changbai Mountain, creating a frightening scene and posing a serious risk.
Oh no! Oh no, 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 no! Oh no! Watch out!
Everyone held their breath, waiting for the tower to collapse onto the field. But when the base buckled, everything took an unexpected turn. A nightmare moment caught on camera. A tornado tears through, ripping off a canopy and shredding signs within seconds. Alexis Berthelot went out for a usual wind-chasing session, but this time he got caught in a sandstorm so intense, the road ahead vanished.
Doing there? My husband's like, oh. Holy shit. Oh my god, this is scaring the shit out of me. Yeah, this is coming down. Holy sugar! Whoa. Holy crap! Oh my god!
What looked like a stable cliff suddenly crumbled, sending dirt cascading into a parking lot. Luckily, a nearby camera captured the entire collapse.
Wow.
Not one, but multiple lightning bolts slashed across the Greek sky, startling the cameraman and forcing him to step back in fear. Oh no! A wooden plank flew past someone's head, and slammed into the road like a dart. That Sunday in Toronto felt more like the eye of a storm in a concrete jungle. Have you ever witnessed Mother Nature's wrath like this? A flash flood surged through like an unstoppable rage, swallowing everything in its path. A high-rise building completely collapsed in seconds. The footage shows a cloud of dust and debris engulfing the entire area. Ground trembled, buildings tilted, and objects didn't just fall. They were hurled into the streets like the whole city was being shaken apart. A faint cracking sound, then an avalanche thundered down the slope like a white waterfall, swallowing the trail below. Golf courses have rules, but the ocean doesn't. And that day, nature decided to play its own game.
Oh no! Get out of here!
The water level was rising steadily, and the tide was growing stronger. Yet people were too slow to react before the water flooded inside. On July 24th, flash floods in Dinant swept away dozens of vehicles, shut down streets, and paralyzed the local train station. In just seconds, South Carolina descended into chaos. The pounding wasn't rain, it was nature hurling destruction. When there's a tornado warning, don't wait. Stay away from windows. Did you see the lightning strike right by the sideline? What looked like a soccer game suddenly turned into a mad dash away from nature's fury. Blast ripped through the air, smoke shot skyward, and a bus turned into a moving fireball in broad daylight.
I felt that one. I felt that one. Hey! Whoa!
Hiking was supposed to be relaxing and scenic. Instead, it turned into an unexpected heart test from Mother Nature. Just seconds after he hit the gas and sped away, the entire mountainside behind him collapsed like a triggered trap. Pure luck. Heavy rain caused a landslide in Burbank, sending a car skidding off a hillside and onto the road. Thankfully, the driver escaped unharmed. A wheel snapped off, barriers bent like paper, and a semi-truck was stuck between bold recklessness and unyielding reality. A storm chaser in Wild Rice, North Dakota, narrowly escaped being pulled into a tornado on June 20th. It was a harrowing yet lucky escape. The Haboob storm, a massive wall of sand, rolled into northwest Texas, forcing storm chasers to speed away from the desert's wrath. A powerful lightning bolt slashed across the night sky in southern Arizona, glowing like a giant firework, beautiful but ominous. Strong winds and flying sand whipped across the beach in northern France, creating a wild and overwhelming scene. A rare tornado appeared suddenly in a Dutch coastal city, destroying homes and leaving behind unprecedented terror. A bolt of lightning ripped through the sky in southern Iowa, creating a surreal painting of dark clouds and flashes, stunning yet terrifying. stunning time-lapse captured roiling storms and lightning lighting up the skies over Salina, Kansas.
Sí, no, yo creo ni cuenta se han dado. Yo creo no lo ven, es como si nosotros estuviera aquí atrás de nosotros.
It does sound like a freight train.
Yeah, it sounds...
Run now! Someone shouted as a powerful tornado roared through Kansas, flinging debris and sparking panic among onlookers.
Yeah, the walking cooler.
It's passing our car.
Ya le digo a la gente. Pero le digo para dónde pueden ir, ¿verdad?
Is that what it sounds like?
On May 26th, the U.S. East Coast was pummeled by a massive storm with heavy winds, torrential rain, and hail, as if the sky itself was raging over Washington, D.C. Look at that. Lightning streaked across the night sky in Del Rio, Texas, like blades of light, creating a scene both magical and menacing. Can you still hear? Someone shouted in panic as storm chasers realized they were inside the eye of a tornado in Texas. The wind roared like the earth was screaming.
Shut up, baby. You might want to stop. You might want to stop, baby.
In a flash, a deadly tornado struck a Dutch seaside town, obliterating everything in its path. Debris flew wildly as if the whole city was being swallowed by an uncontrollable force. A double disaster. Floods and hailstorms suddenly devastated France's famous wine region, destroying precious vineyards and plunging the wine industry into crisis.
Arco Point is now on red lightning alert. Attention all personnel. Of course, Island is now on red lightning alert.
We're not allowed to drive, so we're going to stay where we are and see each other.
Oh, you're allowed to be in a car. But yeah, you're not. Yeah, that's it.
Oh.
Move out the way of the windows. Yeah.
We just 0 metered that. Oh my God, Heather! We just.
Tornado! Tornado!
A storm in Montana howled like a beast, toppling ancient trees. Nature wasn't just angry, it was playing a cruel game.
The trees are coming down!
29.
Amid fierce floodwaters, a massive whirlpool suddenly formed in southwest Utah. A storm within a storm, sweeping everything in its wake. Turn. 11th, a nightmare moment caught on camera. A tornado tears through, and shredding signs within seconds. 12th, Alexis Berthelot went out for a usual.
Damn. Shaking the house.
A sudden storm hit without warning. Powerful winds tore everything apart, leaving behind a wreckage that stunned and terrified everyone.
What the
Skating into a parking lot. Luckily, a nearby camera captured the entire collapse. 14, not one.
What the? Yo, what is this?
On the road, right here. There it is. Debris. Oh, it just hit a house. Oh no. Strong roar, strong roar.
A tornado lasted only a few seconds, but wiped out everything in its path. That brief moment left a lasting panic in those who witnessed it.
Honey, you're gonna get hit with debris, buddy. You gotta stop, dude. Debris coming down. I'm stopping.
Up there, Jack, and then just come around, back down that gas on there.
A fiery tornado erupted violently in Tennant Creek, spreading rapidly. Faced with nature's fury, people could only watch helplessly.
From the trees. And
A flash flood surged through like an unstoppable rage, swallowing everything in its path. 17.
Right. Oh, there goes the umbrella. Oh, fuck. I closed it. Oh, shit.
An umbrella launched into the air during a storm in Rock Hill, serving as a violent reminder that nature should never be underestimated.
Happy birthday, Mom! I love you! Oh, there goes the trees! Ah! Oh, shit! Look at the fucking... Oh, look at the neighbor's car, the trees! Look at the street! The street is a river! Oh my God! It was a beautiful day! Look at the size!
Ground trembled, buildings tilted, and objects didn't just fall. They were hurled into the streets like the whole...
Holy
No,
fuck.
that's legit it.
That's it. That's it. I told you guys. Film this.
Whoa.
You hear it?
Legit see it. Or is that a plane?
No,
That's
love,
plane.
that's the fucking rocket. Tell me you got that thing.
Look at that.
fuck.
Oh my God, it's actually exploding. Is that falling from the sky?
I don't know. Dude,
Holy
what shit, film this.
Whoa.
What?
What?
What is that?
I don't know. It's really freaking creepy.
Dude, I don't like this.
I don't like it either. Is it
Oh.
legit falling from the sky? Oh my god, what is
Oh
that?
my god.
What is that? That's it?
Yes, well, I hope that's fucking it. If not, we're fucked, love.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
Being shaken
Something
apart.
must have happened.
19. A faint cracking sound. Then an avalanche thundered down the slope like a white waterfall, swallowing the trail below. 20. Golf courses have rules.
I'm so confused.
It's falling. Man, that's falling for sure.
Oh my god.
Dude, look at this trail.
Whoa. Oh my god. It's legit falling.
Are those shooting stars?
What is that?
What are those?
Look up, everybody! Look up! Look up!
Nature decided to play its own game. 21. The water level was rising. A violent landslide struck near Tuzla, Bosnia, sweeping away everything in its path and leaving a trail of destruction that shocked everyone. A sudden dust devil formed in Hatton, Washington on July 27th, sweeping across the fields and creating a choking, apocalyptic scene. On July 31st, flash floods rushed into Angeles Oaks, California, carrying debris and mud from burn scars and blocking Highway 38, creating utter chaos. Another violent dust storm hit central Kansas, turning the sky gray and causing panic due to the sudden power of nature. A terrifying rock slide crashed down a California highway, swallowing everything in seconds. Witnesses were left shaken. It sounded like thunder. That's how locals describe the rock slide at Zion National Park that forced a trail closure.
No! Oh my gosh! Holy!
It's insane. A massive dust storm swept through Great Bend, Kansas, engulfing the entire area in a thick cloud of dust.
Whoa! Here we go, guys. It's like a tornado coming through.